Hi, welcome back to Find My X Math Tutoring on YouTube. Today I'll be going over how to find the domain and range of a function. So here we have two examples. Our first example is y equals x. To find the domain and range of the function, you have to look at what the x and the y values do. So since we can reach all x values, since there's an arrow here, and all negative x values and all positive x values, then our domain, which stands for what the x values can do, can go to both negative infinity and positive infinity, since they keep going on. For our range of y equals x, we have to look at what our y values do. Our negative y values keep continuing because there's an arrow here, and our positive y values keep continuing because there's an arrow here, and there's nothing to stop them in the middle. So our range is also negative infinity to positive infinity. Now for this function, y equals 1 over x, we get a little bit different feedback. So we see that our negative x values can keep going here, and they can keep going here, but they don't exactly reach 0. There's a vertical asymptote and a horizontal asymptote here. So since our values cannot equal 0, we have to show that in our domain. So we have negative infinity, since they can keep going here, to 0. And since we don't include 0, we have to add a parenthesis. If we did include 0, we'd have a bracket. Now we have to put a union marking, showing that the domain continues, and put our 0 here, since 0 is the only value that we don't reach. And then we continue with positive infinity, since the x values keep going. Now we continue with our range. Our range keeps going down here, so we know it reaches negative infinity. However, our range doesn't equal 0 either. So we have to do the same thing. And we add our union marking, and we continue. And since it reaches positive infinity up here with this arrow, that is our range for this function. Domain and range are not always the same, but for these two it happened to be. I hope this helped you find domain and ranges of your functions. If you still need more help, check out the other videos on Find My X Math Tutoring on YouTube. Thank you, and please enjoy the wonderful magicality that is mathematics.